In this video, I will be discussing the very last type of reaction in organic chemistry, a substitution reaction called hydrolysis, and this will be hydrolysis involving water. Now, in the previous video, I made a few corrections to your textbook, but I've identified another mistake. So in this general equation, we don't have salt as a byproduct here. Instead, we have a hydrogen halide, where a hydrogen halide is just hydrogen bonded to some type of halogen atom. Please go and correct that. What happens here is we start off with a haloalkane, and it's going to be converted into an alcohol through a substitution reaction that makes use of an excess of water. The reaction conditions that are important for you is just heating, so we need the presence of heat, but just for interest's sake, this reaction will take place with an excess of water. So here we want a lot of water present, and we're going to take that haloalkane that we start off with and we're going to dissolve it in ethanol. So just a few examples of these hydrolysis reactions. On the left, we have 2-chloropropane. This is a haloalkane. Our haloalkane, in this case, has a chlorine atom attached to it, and it will react with water. Our chlorine atoms bond to carbon will break, and here our hydroxyl will detach. It does not need to be the hydroxyl group on the right. It could be on the left as well. I think they've just written it this way because it looks nicer. So just remember these things are three-dimensional and can be rotated in space. So in the place of our chlorine atom, we're going to have an OH. And in the place of our OH, we're going to have a chlorine atom. This reaction will take place in the presence of heat, and as you can see, we're going to have propan, 2-ol forming, and hydrogen chloride, which is our hydrogen halide. It's not a salt, but a hydrogen halide. We have one more example, and then this video is over. This section of organic chemistry is over. The last section we need to study is just polymerization, and then we're completely done with organic chemistry. But here in this example, we have 2-bromo, 2-methylpropane. This is actually called a tertiary haloalkane because the carbon to which our halogen atom is attached is bonded to 3 other carbons. But as far as I know, there's no specific reaction condition for the hydrolysis of primary, secondary, or tertiary haloalkanes. So again, our bromine atom will detach, the OH from the water will detach, and they're going to swap. We're going to have substitution. So here we're going to have OH attaching, and over here the bromine atom. This will take place in the presence of heat. You can just draw a triangle, and we're going to have 2-methylpropan, 2-ol forming at the end of this reaction, as well as a hydrogen halide, specifically hydrogen bromide in this case. So this is the last reaction. There's no other reaction that we need to study except polymerization. If you have any questions, if you suspect that I've made mistakes in any of these videos, please do let me know. Now after this video, I'm going to make one more video, and that is on reactions in general. I'm going to take you through some exam type problems, just so that you know how to deal with the last section of exercise 12, that section on general reactions, and so that you know how to tackle exam problems that involve multiple reactions.